What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I've gotten some requests over the past few months to show you guys how I curl my hair. So I thought it would be fun to just show you guys how I curl my hair today. And then I also made a hot dog because I kind of still wanted to eat with you. So I made just one hot dog this time. It's like a little mini mukbang. But I did a Korean style hot dog. So I put this amazing looking kimchi on top that I got from the Korean grocery store. So legit, like a Korean grandma made this. And then I just drizzled Japanese mayo and I made like a gochujang aioli. I just drizzled both on top. So I'll show you. You can't even see it. Yum, yum, yum. I'll show you guys a little bit closer. Looks amazing, right? And I actually am about to die from starvation, literally. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple bites before we get started. Oh yeah. The kimchi is so crunchy and it tastes fresh. It's not, the spice is there, but it's not like overpowering. It just complements the cabbage. Really, really nice. All right, one more bite and then we're gonna start with my hair, I swear. Oh my gosh, guys. If you have not put kimchi on a hot dog before, you are absolutely missing out. Okay, so first things first, I blow dried my hair and I just use like a regular brush and I do one of these, you know, like with the blow dryer, just like kind of blow it out like this. I take a blow dryer down like this. Everyone's hair is different, so blow dry your hair just as straight as you can get it. Next, I want to show you what I use to curl my hair. Some people like the wands. I am an absolute disaster with them. I burn myself every single time. I just don't have the motions down. So I just use Hot Tools. And I have a couple of these. I have a 1 1/4 barrel, but since I cut my hair, I went ahead and bought a 1-inch barrel so that I get a little bit more of a curl. But you can, by all means, like if you have short hair, you can still use a 1 1/4 inch barrel. You'll just get like a larger curl. You won't have as many waves coming down. Okay, so now we're ready to curl. So I split my hair into 2 sections. And I just secure the top with one of these little alligator bird beak looking things. Okay, so to curl, it's super easy. It's really just about getting the hand motion down, in my opinion. So you could take relatively large amounts. Point it so that the clamp is facing towards you. And then I start at the top, kind of slide it down and then twist back. I leave the end out a little bit. I don't leave it curled in for too long, and then I kind of pull down, like I unravel it and I pull down, and then it's down there. This is definitely more of like a beachy wave situation. Show you again. Kind of unravel, pull down. All right, I'm gonna finish the bottom because you'll be able to see the top much better. Okay, so the bottom's all curled. Now let's take the top down and we'll do that layer. So same technique. And some people kind of alternate their curls. So some people will do like one forward, one back. It's really up to you. You just have to switch your hands and go the other direction. So I'll show you an example. Cute. So that's the other direction. See how I curled it towards me? Unravel, tug on the end. And that helps it from being like really bulky curls, you know? Now they're kind of delicate, especially with short hair. I really need to do that because I don't want to look like Shirley Temple. Obviously, I am not a hairdresser, so I miss some spots here and there, and then I basically just sift through and see what I missed and grab it. But as you can also see, this process really does not take a long time. You're just grabbing the hair. You can check with a mirror after you're done, but like this first go around is like, just don't stress about it, you know? That piece did not curl very well. Let's do that one again. Okay. I also kind of love this method, though I'm like not aware of too many others, because you're really not keeping the curling iron on your hair for very long, and you're kind of avoiding the ends. So for me this is perfect because, you know, I've damaged the crap out of my hair between all of the processing that I've done to it over the years and the extensions that I got recently, which was awful, guys. By the way, I'm totally thinking of getting a halo extension for the wedding. Possibly doing 2 looks, like a long look and a short look. Guys, I don't know. It's up to me. I can like literally do whatever I want, and that is what I fully intend on doing. Okay, I'm just taking a look here at any of the front important pieces. Since I can't see behind me right now, I won't check for those, but all you have to do, you know, hold a mirror like this in front of a mirror behind you, check the back, and get any that you missed. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good right now, but I typically just shake them out. You can even just shake your head. And depending how tight you want the curls, you can spray your hair with hairspray before you shake it out. You can kind of like mist it afterwards like this, which is what I like to do. But how cute is it, right? Effortless. And literally took me probably what, 5 minutes to do? And I was talking about it while I was doing it. So imagine how long it would take you once you get the hang of the hand motions. Probably around the same time. And when I had long hair, it didn't take me that much longer either, because remember, we're curling up, and then I would sort of just like work the curling iron down my hair to cover the rest of my hair. I wasn't like wrapping all of my hair up, leaving it there for like an extra amount of time. I was just like going down here, if you want like an example. I could start here and go down. I might like curl it up again and then go down, and so on and so forth, just however long your hair is. Oh, and we still have some hot dog left. Oh god. You guys have no idea how hungry I am right now. Oh my gosh. Mm. Mm. Oh my gosh, guys, I need to learn how to take smaller bites. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this helped you be able to curl your hair a little bit better. And I hope this shows you how easy it is and how not time consuming it is. Especially like obviously if you have shorter hair, it's gonna take you so little time once you get the hang of it. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this style of video, like beauty-ish, where I'm just doing like a mini mukbang and doing some other girl stuff, comment below, tell me if you like it, tell me if you hated it. I'm headed to Florida early tomorrow morning and I'll be there for 2 weeks, so I probably won't be posting on Thursday. If I do, then it's like a bonus for you guys because I just have a good feeling that I'm not going to be able to film and edit and post while I'm visiting my family. So thank you guys for understanding, and if anything, I will see you next Tuesday. Thanks again for joining, guys. Butters says bye. Bye from Butters. Butters. Oh, Butters, 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 Butters. I don't think he likes that. See you next week, guys. Bye.